Most people are told to buy the most expensive house they qualify for. And I don't agree with that. Just because you can afford something on paper doesn't mean it's going to feel good in real life. And since I'm wearing ramen today, it has pockets, and I have a bowl of ramen, we are going to talk about your home budget like a ramen bowl because you get to build it. When people ask how much home I can afford, what they're usually given is their maximum number. But that number doesn't know your lifestyle, your goals, what helps you feel safe month to month. So instead of starting at the max, we are going to start somewhere different. Hi, friends. I'm Kat, Miss Fish, and the Mortgage Tool Bus. I got my tool bus here, and it's full of tools to help you on your journey home. The soup didn't really fit in my purse, but I like to break things down and reframe them in a way that makes sense and helps you reach your goals. We are thinking about ordering ramen. You don't walk in and say, I'll take the most expensive bowl you've got. You think about what sounds good. How hungry are you? What fits your budget? Your mortgage works the same way. It's not one number, it's a combination of choices. So let's build your bowl, the broth, your monthly comfort. This is your foundation, not what a lender says you can afford, but what actually feels good in your life. Let me ask you, can you still go out to dinner? Can you handle a surprise expense? Do you feel calm or stretched? Because those are different lives. The noodles, that's your home price, but it should come after your comfort. The toppings, that's where things get flexible. Your down payment, your interest rate, taxes, insurance, every single one of these changes your monthly payment. So instead of one fixed answer, you actually have options. Let me give you an example. Two people get approved for the same amount. One says, I want the nicest home I can afford. The other says, I want a payment that lets me still enjoy my life. Same approval, very different experiences. And that's where people either feel at peace or stretched every single month. Okay, pause for a second. If this is already changing how you think about buying a home, you are exactly where you need to be. Because this isn't about getting it perfect. It's about understanding your options. And this is why I have a free tool for this. Because guessing your numbers creates stress, but seeing them creates clarity. Inside the calculator, you can test different home prices, adjust your down payment, and see how your monthly payment actually changes with your choices. One of my favorite parts, you can compare renting versus buying side by side. So instead of wondering, can I afford this? Should I keep renting? Should I buy soon? You can start to see, what would this feel like monthly? All right, this is your budget, and you get to build it. You can simplify it, adjust it, change it. You are not locked into one version. You don't need to rush this. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need to stretch yourself to prove anything. You are allowed to explore, learn, build a plan that actually supports your life. So if you're curious what your numbers could look like, I have this tool for you. I'll link it down there. It's simple to use, and it lets you actually play with your options. Try different down payments. Look at rent versus buy. No pressure, no commitment, just clarity. Because your home should feel like a place of peace, not pressure. And just like ramen, you get the bowl that fits you. Let's go home. Would you rather have a bigger house or a more comfortable monthly payment?